Android 16 arrives on Samsung Galaxy devices. Here's what you need to know. Samsung has begun rolling out its highly anticipated Android 16 update to a wide range of Galaxy phones and tablets, with a comprehensive schedule spanning through November. But here's where it gets exciting. This update isn't just about new features. It's about refining the Galaxy experience. Unlike the major design overhaul introduced with One UI 7, One UI 8 focuses on functional enhancements and subtle refinements, ensuring a familiar yet improved user experience. What's new in Android 16 for Samsung Galaxy? While Android 16 brings a fresh design language to Pixel devices with Google's Material 3 Expressive, Samsung's approach is more nuanced. One UI 8 builds upon the recent style changes, introducing a host of new features and improvements. Here are some highlights. Expanded Now Bar and Now Brief. These popular features are now available on more Galaxy devices, offering enhanced accessibility and convenience. App updates. Samsung apps like Weather and Files receive updates, ensuring a seamless and up-to-date user experience. Enhanced multitasking. A 90-10 split screen mode allows for quicker app switching, boosting productivity. Improved camera controls. Capture your moments with greater precision and ease. Gemini Live support. Galaxy Z Flip users can enjoy Gemini Live on the Flex window, adding a unique, interactive element. AI-powered Portrait Studio. Elevate your photography with advanced AI enhancements. Interactive lock screen. Your lock screen clock can now interact with your wallpaper, adding a touch of personalization. Redesigned notification panel. Galaxy tablets get a fresh look with a new notification and quick panel design. And this is the part most people miss. While these features are impressive, the true value lies in the overall refinement of the user experience. One UI 8 may feel familiar, but it's the subtle improvements that make a significant difference in daily use. Samsung Galaxy devices with Android 16. A comprehensive list. Samsung initiated the stable rollout of One UI 8 based on Android 16 on September 15, 2025. The update is currently available for the Galaxy S25 series globally and comes pre-installed on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, Galaxy S25 FE, and the Galaxy Tab S11 series. Here's a detailed breakdown. Galaxy S series. Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, S25 Edge, available since September. Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, S24 FE, available since September 22nd. Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, S23 FE, available since September 29th. Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, available since October 6th, but currently on pause. Galaxy Foldables. Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, pre-installed. Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, available since September 22nd. Galaxy Z Fold 5, Flip 5, available since September 29th. Galaxy Z Fold 4, Flip 4, available since October 7. Galaxy Tablets. Galaxy Tab S11, S11 Ultra, pre-installed. Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, S10 Ultra, available since September 29th. Galaxy Tab S10 FE, S10 FE Plus, available since October 1. Galaxy Tab S9, S9 Plus, S9 Ultra, available since October 1. Galaxy A series. Galaxy A56, A36, available since September. While a definitive schedule is not yet available, here's a glimpse of what's expected. October 2025, Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Tab S10 series, Galaxy Tab S9 series, Galaxy A36, A35, A34, A56, Galaxy Xcover 7 Pro, and more. November 2025, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Flip 4, Galaxy Tab S8 series, Galaxy A16, A15, and additional devices. Controversial interpretation. Is Samsung playing catch-up? While Samsung's Android 16 update is impressive, it's worth noting that the company is not leading the pack in terms of update speed. Some competitors have already rolled out Android 16 to their flagship devices. Is Samsung prioritizing stability over speed, or are they falling behind? This is a question that sparks debate among tech enthusiasts. Thought-provoking question. As Samsung continues to refine its update process, how important is update speed to you? Do you prioritize having the latest software immediately? Or do you value a stable and well-optimized experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung continues to roll out Android 16 to its extensive Galaxy ecosystem. For the latest news and insights, follow our coverage and join the conversation.